Oh my goodness, good old RDZ1. One of the true boat anchors. Need a lot of restoration, which I did do. I even got a crystal set for it. Crystal units for RDZ equipment. This is pretty heavy. It's 150 pounds. So what did I do? Well, I made a back piece for it because I'm missing that, which houses the RF filter and all that other stuff. Interconnections. So I finished that off today. That's very, very substantial. Can I move it? So I built that out of half-inch aluminum plate pieces, about 1/8 of an inch aluminum, using hockey pucks as mounts. These right here, bolts all the way through. I made alignment pins, these things here, which go into slots in the back of it. I made my own rails so it slides back and forth with ease. This is the power input. Right here we go, military style signal, fuse. What else I got here, huh? 3 pieces on the back, RF filter underneath, cables coming down, which will go to 110, and also to an antenna. These are the cables that go in the back somewhere. Once I figure out where the power goes into this guy, sometime, someday. I put a little piece up here to cover it. I'll paint all this same color as that when I get some paint somewhere. I think I got some paint. Good old RDZ. Not many of them around anymore. Nobody really wants them either, but this one came up for sale, reasonable price, bought it on eBay, of course. None of these big pieces here that screw it in and down here and all that stuff. See some scratches here, so I'll cover that with gray paint and away it goes. It's really heavy. A little heavier with this edition here, but the original, where would you ever find an original one of the back pieces? So make your own. Yeah, so that was fun doing that. It's got shock mounts on it. Original shock mounts. The only movie I ever saw one of these in was on the side of it, and on the beach in the radio room. Just I could tell it was one of these radios because of the unique, distinct features of it. So that was a fun project. Learned a lot from it. Getting it on the rails was a little challenging, but it had to match up to these pins in the back here, which I made too. They keep it stable. That was a lot of fun, that one. So, yeah, at a reasonable price, I'd probably buy another one. Why not? Of course, I got all this stuff over there all over the place. So, I gotta get that organized. I want all those capacitors on a framework. The power transformers underneath the framework. A lot of capacitors laying around here. Wow. Anyway. So it's all going to be recorded, as I mentioned in a previous video. There's the front of this guy again. Yeah, he looks good. He looks alright. Let's see. The other capacitors, or where did I put them? Oh, up there, of course. A lot of fun. RF will be flying around and weird things will be happening, so I'm gonna all this organized. All of it must be organized. So another shipment's coming in. Here's the monitoring station. Hi, Wee Willie Winkle. Oh my goodness! So let's see if we zoom in on a camera. There's one. Covers this area. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cameras and 2 outside. So actually, it's under. Everything's under. Being observed and recorded, which is interesting. I don't care. How? Stairway to second story, which is nothing up there yet until I get around to it. There will be some time, I suppose. Yes, yes, yes. So how many of you cut thick aluminum on a table saw? I just finished cleaning up. This is 1/8 inch thick. Cuts nicely, you gotta be careful though. Kind of even brass with this table saw. Brass plate.